have here my cooked pomo and some beef. This is a blend of tomatoes, turkey berry, ginger, pepper and onions. This is the oil I'll be using. This is a blended egusi with salt. I have here my diced onion. This is my salted fish, and then the kontomire leaves. It is cooked. I also have here some well seasoned panla, fresh panla, and this is this is 4 eggs. So these are the things that I'm going to use to prepare this kontomire stew. Okay, so on fire is my vegetable oil. You can use palm oil if that is your preference. The oil is heated now, so I'm going ahead to add the salted fish. So the salted fish is fried for about 2 minutes. I am doing that to infuse its flavor into the oil. So I'm now going to add the onion. I want the onion to be golden brown or caramelized. I am going ahead to add the blended vegetables. I added a teaspoonful of tomato paste. I'm going to cover it to cook until it is ready. I want it to be well cooked, so when I see that it is cooked to my satisfaction, I would come and continue with you. It's been cooking for over 10 minutes, so I want to reduce the heat now. So this is about 20 minutes afterwards. I'm adding the pomo and the meat. I also add the fish. I am adding the egusi now. So it's been cooking for about 5 minutes. I'm now going to stir it. It's been cooking for about 20 minutes now. I want to add the eggs. I am adding the kontomire now. I am opening them up because I cooked them yesterday. The salt is less, so I'm adding just a little to boost its taste.